Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we will learn the basics of CSS. So what is CSS? CSS is basically a language we can use to style our HTML file. It is used to make our websites look pretty. The full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. So let's start. Let me bring in some basic HTML code. So here we have a head tag, a title tag, and a body tag. In the body tag, we have one h1 tag and one paragraph tag. Let's say we want to change the color of the paragraph tag to blue. Then we can apply CSS. Firstly, let me show you how the website looks now. I have saved this file with the name web.html. So this is our website. There is one heading and one paragraph. Here is the title, that is CSS tutorial. But as you can see, the paragraph color is black. Let's say we want to change this to blue or red or whatever you want. Then we can apply CSS to this tag. Let me show you how we can do this. We can specify the style attribute in the p tag. And in the style attribute, we can say the color to be blue. Style equals, and in this I will apply some CSS code. For example, to change the color of my p tag to red or blue, we can apply this code COLOR colon blue, and let's save it and refresh our website. Now as you can see, the paragraph color is blue. This is good. Now let's apply the same code to our heading tag. Let's make it red. I will copy this style attribute and paste it here. Instead of saying the color to be blue, I can say the color to be red. And now let's save and again refresh our website. Good. Now you can see the heading is of red color. But I don't often write CSS code like this. I instead go to head tag and declare a script tag. Oh, sorry, style tag. And then close the style tag. And then I write all the CSS code in between these two tags. For example, I can now remove this style attribute and write here p color colon red, or let's say blue. That one color colon red. Now let's save our code and refresh your website. See, same result is there. Now what am I doing here is that in this line I am saying that all the p tags I want the color to be blue and all the h1 tags I want the color to be red. If I go here and declare another h1 tag, this is another heading, and let's close it. Save this and let's refresh. See, this heading is of red color. Now you can guess that if we declare here a p tag and write something here, the color of the p tag would be blue. See, now let's say we want the background color of our website to be green or yellow or whatever you want. Then we can declare here body tag. Oh, sorry, we can say here body curly braces background color colon whatever color you want here. I will type yellow. I'm saving and then refresh. See, background is yellow. Now try and type here green. Save and refresh. Now our website is of now our background color of website is green color. Here I want to tell you that this key, this H1 and this body are called selectors because they select which elements are to be specified or which elements are to be styled. Let's say I want to apply the same code to all these tags. Then I can remove this and in the body I can say background color green colon semicolon color colon green. Save and let's refresh. Now see, all the elements are of blue color. But what if we want to apply CSS to only these three elements, not this one? Then we can wrap these three elements in a div tag. Slash div. And here we can specify the class attribute and you can name it anything. For example, I will name it container. We can use this class and apply CSS to it. We can use this class to apply CSS to it. Now here instead of body, I will write here the name of my class, which is container. So container, I will type container and here before C, I will write a dot. Dot container means it will apply this CSS to all the elements which are of container class. Let me save this and refresh our website. See, it only applied CSS to these three elements, not this one. But we can write here ID too. But when we use ID, instead of writing a dot, we should write hashtag. Hashtag container means all the container IDs and hashtag and dot container means all the container classes. The result is same. But what is the difference between ID and container is that you can have more than one classes, but you cannot have more than one IDs. For example, if I copy the same and I paste it here, dash this, this is a heading, this is a paragraph 2, this is a heading 2, for example. And now I refresh this. See, we can write here class too, but when we write here class, it will not apply CSS to this div tag. As I said, we can not only change the color and background color, we can also apply border to it. If we want to apply border, here I can specify border style colon, and here I can write many things. Let's try solid and refresh. It applies a border, and we can specify here border width. Border width would be pixels. Let's say 10 pixels, 10 px. Let's save and refresh. The border's thickness is now greater than before. But we can write here dotted. And as the name suggests, the border will be dotted. See. Now let's try with 5 pixels instead of 10. 5 px. Save and refresh. Now see, you can notice the difference. We can also change the color of border by writing color semicolon border color border color colon red. For example, red. Save and refresh once again. The border is of red color now. Go ahead and try with other colors. For example, steel blue. Now see, the color of border is steel blue. Not only you can write here dotted or solid, there are many types of border styles. For example, one is double, double. Now see, there are two background lines surrounding these tags. Now I encourage you to go ahead and search for more CSS rules, just like border style, border width, border color. That's it for today, friends. We will meet again in next video. Bye bye for now. And if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel too. Bye bye.